Hey people, yeah, this might well be the last time I'm last time of the lockdown. Like since tomorrow is June 1st, the world reopens. So I'll be going back to this place where I stay. I was at my dad's house so far, and right now I have these two tiny brats. Luckily they are not in the background. But hats off, yeah, to busy moms who are able to do anything at all, even with having two small children. It's my sister's daughter and my son who are there, but that's what they are, my kids, and it's all my time is goes behind them. So that's what, people, this particular video, I just wanted to say thank you so much for this 2 month long journey that I've had with you folks, wearing the exact same top and like alternatingly in the in all my videos. And so that's what, it's close to 10:30 in the morning right now when I'm recording this. But I'll next video, hopefully, I mean next video as in the next series of videos, will be from a change of location, so you all won't have to see this brown color cupboard at the back. So really, this is a very random video. But on that note, thanks for watching and please subscribe.